Hello students, today we are going to solve exercise 7.2 problem. First problem, see the question. Find coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. I said you in the before classes that exercise 7.2 problems having a 3 types of the formulas. First is a section formula, second is a trisection, then centroid. This problem we are going to solve with the help of section formula. How you should know this is you have to solve with the help of section? Look at the towards the problem. We have a 2 coordinates -1, 7, 4, -3 plus ratio also we have 2:3. Everything is given 2 points and the 1 ratio. Then go with the section formula. Fine. Shall we start? I am going to start, right? Given, what is given? A from the problem -1, 7, B 4, -3 and ratio is also given. Ratio is 2:3, that is M1 2 and M2 3. These are the coordinates x1 y1, x2 y2. Now using your section formula. Section formula, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2, comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Now substitute x1 x2 M1 M2 from here above. What is M1? It is given 2 into what is x2? See, x2 is 4. Substitute here 4 plus what is M2? M2 is 3. See here, it is 3. 3 into what is x1? From here A -1 divided by M1 plus M2. 2 plus 3. What is M1 y2? What is M1? See here, M1 is 2. 2 into what is y2? Y2 is -3 here. -3 plus M2 is 3 into what is y1? Y1 is 7. Fine. Divided by 2 plus 3. Now multiply. 2 4s are 8 plus into minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 5. 2 plus 3 5 comma 2 3s are 6. But here sign is minus. Write down the minus sign. Plus 3 7s are 21 divided by 5. 8 minus 3 5 by 5 comma you have to subtract. -6 plus 21 is 15. Positive 15. Why? Because bigger number sign is positive. Cancel. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. What are the coordinates? 1, 3. Therefore, the coordinates are 1, 3. Are you able to understand the problem? Okay. Students, we are going to solve next problem, second solution of the exercise 7.2. Any doubts if you have in the first one? Let me know. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Here ratio is not given. Check the question listen the question very carefully. Ratio is not given. First of all, we have to find the ratio, then solve with the help of the section formula. Imagine now this is the line AB. This line AB divides into 3 equal parts. Why 3 I am saying? Tri is nothing but 3. 3 equal parts. See here, A to P, PQ and QB. 3 are equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Let P and Q be the points of trisection of AB. Now P will divides internally in the ratio what? Q will divides in the internally ratio what? We have already studied. Let me explain once more time. P divides internally in the ratio 1:2. Why 1:2? See, when I am saying P internally, before P 1 point is there. That's why 1. After P, how many points are there? 2. 1:2. Same like that, if Q divides, what will happen? We will see. Now only we will see. Q divides internally in the ratio 2:1. How? See, this is Q. Before this, how many points are there? 2 points. 2:2. After Q, how many points? 1 point. 2:1. P divides 1:2. Q divides 2:1. Now we will solve P points. Now we will solve P coordinates and Q coordinates. Fine. Therefore, the coordinates of P are, apply section formula. Which formula? Section formula. Fine. Coordinates see here. P x comma y. Formula is what? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay. Now px comma y. Let us see here. From AB you have to write now. What is AB? 4 comma minus 1 A. B is minus 2 comma minus 3. x1 y1 x2 y2. I am writing all x1 y1. What are the values? I am writing here. x1 y1 minus 1, x2 minus 2, y2 minus 3. m1, because P dividing, our ratio is 1:2. So m1 1, m2 2. Now you substitute px comma y. Here you have to substitute. m1 is 1. 1 into what is x2? Minus 2 plus m2. m2 is 2 into what is x1? 4 divided by m1 plus m2. 1 plus 2 comma m1 y2. What is m1? 1 into what is y2? See here, I have written here. Minus 3 plus m2. m2 is what? 2 into what is y1? Minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is P coordinates I am writing. Now you open the brackets and multiply. 1 into minus 2 plus 2 4s are 8 by 3. 1 3s are 3. Minus 3 why I am writing? Because the sign is minus here. Now open the brackets, multiply sign. Plus into minus, minus. 2 1s are 2 divided by 3. P into x comma y equals to, subtract 6 by 3 comma add. Why add I am saying? Because 2 minus signs are there. Add and give a bigger number sign. Bigger number sign is minus. See 5. Cancel 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now coordinates of P x comma y is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. These are the coordinates for P x comma y, 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Now students, coordinates of Q. We are going to solve coordinates of Q. Q also divides, or Q divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. This one I have explained you, right? So now this is your M1, this is your M2. Coordinates of Q x comma y, same formula. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Same formula. Now here A from the equation 4 comma minus 1, B minus 2 comma minus 3. This is your x1, this is your y1, x2, y2. These are the coordinates. I am writing here x1 4, x2 minus 2, y1 minus 1, y2 minus 3. And what is m1, m2? This one, ratio. m1 equals to 2, m2 equals to 1. Now you substitute in the section formula. Here we have to substitute. What is m1? m1 is 2. 2 into what is x2 minus 2 plus m2. m2 is 1 into what is x1? 4 divided by m1 plus m2. 2 plus 1 comma m1 y1. What is m1? 2 into what is y2? Minus 3 plus m2. What is m2? 1 into y1 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Fine. Now open the brackets. 2 2s are 4. 4 and sign minus is there. Write on minus. Plus 1 4s are 4. Divided by 2 plus 1, 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 6 because sign is there here minus. And now open the brackets for minus symbol. Plus into minus. Minus 1 1s are 1 by 3. You can see here. Minus 4 plus 4 is nothing but 0. 0 divided by 3 and minus 7 by 3. You have to add and give a bigger number sign. 0 by 3 is nothing but 0. Now our coordinates are 0 comma minus 7 by 3. This is this one. Fine. So therefore the coordinates P and Q. What is a P? 3 comma 2 comma minus 5 by 3, and what is Q? 0 comma minus 7 by 3. These are the coordinates. Solving the problem with the help of trisection. Very important, student. Okay. Any doubt, ask me. Thank you.